Introduction to Research Methodology, lecture number 14 and 15. Friends, these two lectures are scheduled on August 24th. The session will begin with quiz 1, that is of 10 marks, and scheduled duration is 15 minutes. Once the quiz gets over, we will continue with our unit on formulating a research problem. In last lecture, we discussed about what is a research problem. We also discussed the significance, importance of formulating a research problem in any research, maybe BTech level project or MTech dissertation or PhD thesis or any research problem that scientists, engineers have undertaken. In today's lecture, I will be focusing more on two important topics. Number one, sources of a research problem, from where you will get a research problem. And then I would like to focus on considerations in selecting a research problem. So the entire 2 hours, we will have detailed discussions on these two subtopics. To start with, sources of research problem. So according to me, you can get research problem from four sources. So I call this as 4 P's for research problems. One, people, mass, community, society, groups, friends. So people will give you problem. Then the problems around you may encourage you to take up a research problem. Variety of problems, societal problem, industrial problems. The third P is for programs. Different programs being run by the government, programs being run by the universities. So in a broader sense, we need to understand importance of different programs as source of research problem. And then the fourth and the final P is phenomena. Different phenomena in our life, in society, around us, they will encourage us to take up a research problem. So in short, our first goal would be to understand theory of 4 P's, which is basically sources of research problems for us. Once we understand different sources for research, the next topic of discussion in lecture number 14 and 15 is examples of research problems. So I wish to give you an exercise where I will give you a very broad topic, and then I will ask you from this broad topic, how can you connect this topic with people, with phenomena, with programs, with problems, with implications. So that entire exercise will take 15 to 20 minutes. And then toward the end of this session, we will have overview of considerations in selecting research problems. In fact, there are 7 elements, 7 factors one needs to understand, one needs to give thoughts before finalizing a research problem. What are those 7 elements or 7 factors? Say your interest in a chosen problem, the magnitude of a problem, then whether you have sufficient expertise or not, then whether you plan to do some experimentation measurement, then what are the facilities available, whether the selected problem is relevant or not, then data is available or not, and finally the ethical issues. So the entire 2 hour session is full of discussion, experience sharing, and many more things. So I believe you will enjoy our session that is scheduled on Monday, and please prepare well for your quiz 1. All the best. Thank you, friends.